hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to talk about some simple tips and tricks that students can follow to excel in medical school. As medical students and future doctors, time is our biggest resource. So, to plan our studies and attend the college, attend the clinics, we need to know the basic time management techniques. After watching this video, I promise you'll gain some more clarity on how to go about your studies. And at the end, I have a very special surprise from medmentors.co.uk who are very kindly sponsoring this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Keep all the assignments, practicals and homeworks for the weekends and utilize the time after your college hours for self-study. Number 2, the schema technique. This is my personal favorite. Being a medical student will require you to study for so many hours, but we don't want to become a bookworm, right? We need to have fun in the process and have some time for personal growth and development. So having a systematic study methodology will reduce the burden and make the process a little less boring. This brings us to the schema technique. When you start studying a topic, first watch a video related to it. What this will do is give you the whole topic in a nutshell and make your brain ready to absorb the information that you're going to read from your textbook. So after watching a video related to the topic that you want to study, next study the standard textbook followed by your note preparation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, consider subscribing and click the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. 3. Consolidation. One of the most effective ways of consolidating what you have read is preparing your own notes. Now, no need to, rewrite the textbook again. Just mention the most volatile points and draw any flowcharts that you feel are going to be useful while you want to revise a topic. 4. Spaced repetition. It helps you overcome the forgetting curve. Do a revision of your notes within 24 hours after reading a topic, followed by 1 week and then again in 1 month. Getting into med school is hard, and studying MBBS requires a lot of memorization and long sitting hours. So if you have a mentor, this journey becomes easy. Thinking of applying to medicine? Get access to free resources, events, mentoring programs, guidance, blogs and articles at medmentor.co.uk. For more information, check out the description below. So these were some simple tricks that you can follow to make your study routine more effective. Share it with anyone whom you think will benefit from it. For more such videos on med school hacks, stay tuned to my channel. See you soon. Bye.